Tatay ko na yan. Elmer De Leon will now sing. Kasi malapit na tayo mag-exchange gift, kaya Elmer De Leon will sing, What Can I Give You This Christmas? Yan ang mga kanta ng mga walang dalang Christmas gift. What can I give you this Christmas?
Ganon.
Ang regalo nila, kanta lang.
Baka nga eh.
Okay. Oh, ba't wala ilaw, anak? Okay, game. Mababa, Elmer. Sabihin mo sa akin. What can I give you this Christmas? Something
to go in your eyes. I'll give you the light of the Yuletide star from the cold February skies. What can I give you this Christmas? Something soft, the sound of your name. I'll give you the hush of the falling snow as it settles on the ground. There isn't much like a boy like me give to a girl like you. I've searched the Christmas shop windows, and now I know it's true. What can I give you this Christmas? Everything that I see will do. So I'll give you my heart and my own true love that will last the whole year through. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, class 79. Nasaan? May kopya ka na? Nandito na sila? Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light.
Wait, Elmer. Nawala ka? Kasi hindi lang natin tignan ito. Kasi memorize na natin. Memorize natin. Tignan. Okay, let's go again.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are, as in golden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who were dear to us, gathered near to us once more. Through the years we all will be together. The fates allow. Hang your shining star upon the highest bough, and have yourself a merry Christmas now. Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Class 79! Oh, shades give na! Teka, di ko pa nade-dekorasyon. Wala, kakanin sa